Hey everybody, welcome to Ellis Mowers. I wanted to let you know we've got one more day in the Super Clean giveaway. I wanted to make a quick video and say that I made a couple of small changes to the giveaway. Nothing really to amount to anything. One thing I learned after I started the giveaway was that you have to go through quite an involved process in order to be publicly subscribed, in order to make all of your subscriptions public. And we have about 40 comments as of this video. I think there's like 4 or 5 that are publicly subscribed. I know there's a lot more of y'all that are subscribed to me than that, and so I wanted to get rid of that requirement. However, in order to advantage those that still are publicly subscribed to me, I will put your name in the hat 3 times. So I'm going to show you how to publicly subscribe to me if you want to essentially triple your chances of winning. I just figured it wouldn't be fair, especially to a lot of the YouTubers that just watch the videos and don't really make their own videos and stuff like that. So what you have to do in order to publicly subscribe to me or to anybody is, let me get up on the camera here so you can see it. So here's the YouTube page. I don't know how well I can see that. I'm going to click on my icon on the top left, or the top right, excuse me. Go down to settings. That'll give you this menu. Go down to settings, and then history and privacy, and then this drop down menu will occur. This is the same on, you have to go into your browser on your mobile device. You can't do it on the YouTube app, but it's the same for the desktop and the browser on the mobile, or the mobile browser. Again, not the app. History and privacy, down at the bottom, the next to the last, or at least on mine, says keep all my, or excuse me, yes, keep all my subscriptions private. You need to have to turn that off. And that way, people who look at your channel can see that you're subscribed to them, instead of just having, say you had 50 subscribers but only 5 or 6 of them showed up. The reason for that is they're the only ones that are publicly subscribed to you. So if you want to publicly subscribe to me, follow those quick instructions right there. That will give you not 1, not 2, but 3 chances of winning. 3 names in the hat, essentially. So if you're not publicly subscribed, you get 1 entry. If you are publicly subscribed, you get 3 entries. And remember, the voting, or the giveaway, ends tomorrow, Tuesday, at 8 p.m., which is November 10th. So Tuesday, November 10th at 8 p.m. I'm not going to have comments on this video because I don't want you to comment on this video. I will give you the link to the other video for you to watch and comment on that. And all the instructions are in that video. So again, just as a quick recap, this is what you'll win. You'll get a 4-pack here. And you're not going to get this lawnmower. One guy asked about a lawnmower, the one that I fixed in the video. The lawnmower is not part of a giveaway. And the other one was a Boland's. I just put this up here because I used Super Clean on this mower and it worked really well. Just using it as a backdrop for a prop. Trying to help out the brand here. Got the aerosol degreaser, the regular degreaser, the foaming, and the all-wheel cleaner. These are the 4 items that you will win. So good luck, and like I said, I'll put the link in the video below. If you want to triple your chances of winning, make sure you're publicly subscribed to me. I also, this is another important thing, so if you're not publicly subscribed to me and you win the sweepstakes, or you win the giveaway, you will have to send, I will give you an email address. You will have to send me an email with photo proof. So you basically just have to take a picture of your computer or take a screenshot on your mobile device showing that you are subscribed to me. So when the giveaway ends on Tuesday. That's when I am seeing who is publicly subscribed to me. Tuesday at 8 p.m. If you do it before then, you get 3 entries in the hat. If you don't, you still get 1 entry, so you still have a chance of winning. But when I draw it on Thursday and do the announcement on video, you will have to show me that you are subscribed to me with proof in a picture form. You'll have to send me a picture or a screenshot via email before you win the sweepstakes. So, if you have any questions about all that, feel free to reach out. Like I said, I'm turning the comments off on this video because I don't want you to comment on this video thinking that you're in the giveaway. But again, just do what I say in the other video, the actual giveaway video, and you'll get entered. So just show me again that you're subscribed and do all the other steps outlined in that video. If you win, you'll get a 4-pack of Super Clean. So thanks for watching again. Hope you all enjoy the video. I will announce the giveaway on Thursday, and I will catch you then.